Welcome to CSR Nexus. We facilitate partnerships between social organizations and corporates. CSR, corporate social responsibility, has gained lot of attention in recent years. Especially in India, after 2013, CSR has become one of the most deliberated concepts in business world and social field. As per Section 135 of Companies Act 2013, minimum 2% of average net profits of immediately preceding 3 years needs to be spent on CSR by the companies meeting specified criteria as per the Act. We understand that CSR has become an integral part of corporate landscape nowadays as spending and reporting CSR has become an obligation now. CSR has moved much beyond the donations, charity, or philanthropic work, but it is demanding the real and focused impactful work by the corporates through their CSR wing. This is possible only through the collaborative efforts of corporates and their implementation partners. We believe that collaboration is the key to create greater social impact. Therefore, we have come up with this unique platform called CSR Nexus. We are glad to introduce the CSR Nexus to facilitate such partnership for community development through impactful CSR work. CSR Nexus is trying to bring all CSR partners on one platform to bridge the gap between them and to facilitate the collaborations for CSR activities. It is also noticed that various social organizations, while working at grassroots level, have successfully leveraged different schemes to extend its benefit to the larger part of the society. It is also the reality that they look forward to get funds. On the other hand, corporates have large CSR funds available and sometimes are unutilized because of lack of social projects. CSR Nexus makes it easy to collaborate with each other for better CSR projects. Here are some of the benefits and services to corporates. Corporates can search CSR implementation partner on our portal. They can invite CSR partners. They can search new CSR projects. Project need assessment can be done through CSR Nexus team, and impact assessment of CSR projects can be done through CSR Nexus. We are happy to launch CSR Nexus. Please get in touch with us for more insights on CSR Nexus. You can reach us on info@csrnexus.com. Also visit our website www.csrnexus.com. Thank you.